Hello, and welcome to day 4 of phonics. I know as we move into our nice long weekend here. Last week, we focused in on words that had short vowel sounds. And today, our goal is to focus on words that have long vowel sounds. Okay, and remember, long vowel sounds are when you hear the sound you hear the name of the vowel. So when the letter A makes an A sound, that's the long sound. Or the letter E makes an E sound. Or letter I makes an I sound. Or U makes a U or an OO sound. Those are the long vowel sounds. Okay, so the words that we'll be working with today are listed here. Okay, and while I read them to you, I want you to just listen for long vowel sounds. Mayor, breaking, weightless, agree, agreed, happy, turkey, thieves, a while, climbed, cried, phone, unknown, goes, dispute, argue, musical. Okay, so these words, you have a choice. Okay, you can write the words on an index card, or you can write them on little slips of paper. Or I also have a document in Schoology with the words written on them. If you have a printer, you could print those words off and cut them apart, because we're going to use those words today to practice reading and spelling, but also sorting them by which long vowel sound they have. Okay, so by starting off, you're going to read the words. So you can flip through the cards, practice reading the words. Then you're going to practice spelling each word. Okay, so you might look at the word, put it face down, and then practice writing it in your notebook. Okay, and then finally, with the cards you just made, we're going to sort them by their long vowel sound. Okay, so you can make a chart that's similar to this in your notebook, okay? Or you can also just take your slips of paper and practice sorting them. Put all the long E's together and all the words that make you hear a long I sound together, okay? And sort them all out. Okay, with that practice, we'll start to hear those long vowel sounds, but then also to recognize how those long vowel sounds can be spelled differently. Okay, so remember, you may choose to make your own cards, or if you have a printer, you can print off the cards that are in Schoology. All right, thank you, 5th graders.